guys, welcome back again on my channel today. If it's your first time seeing my face or getting to know about my existence, hi, my name is Olubukola and I film about skincare, YouTube tips and almost everything in between. Okay, if you love that, please make sure you click on subscribe button to support me, and I promise to remind you guys as well to always like the video because it really helps me. I noticed that when people like the video, YouTube recommend it more to people, so help me please by liking the video. So the last video that I posted, guys, I did a reaction to a particular person mixing a lot of tubes into their cream. See, like if you visit that page on TikTok, you will fear the type of mixture that is going on in that shop. But all the same, the more you know, the more you see things, the more you know, basically. So there was a particular one that actually triggered that video that I reacted to. It was them like mixing tubes, like pouring out the tubes into the normal grater we use in the kitchen, mixing like 2, 3 or 4 different type of tubes together, if I get the video, and pouring it into a grater that they are using to grate pepper, and they will now pack it as your face cream. And that's one of the reasons why you have to be careful. You have to be careful of what you apply on your skin. Like, be very, very careful. You do not want to smell. I don't want you to smell either. So be very, very careful of what you apply to your skin. So somebody now asked a question in the comment section that how can I like take my skin back to the way it's supposed to be, then start working on it the normal way to give me the best glowing effect that I want, if I have ever used maybe a bleaching product before. So that is basically what I really want to address. It's not really that, I think I've talked about it before, but because I've promised that person a video, and that's why I'm here today again. Okay, so if you have used a lot of bleaching products and you want to go back to your normal self, firstly, pack out all of the bleaching products and just like trash it first. That's where we are starting from. Then you are going to give yourself a break of 27 days. Like 27 days enough for your skin to breathe. Then you get a normal soap and a normal maybe moisturizer, or probably a body butter as well. Body butter can be a mixture of maybe shea butter, avocado butter, almond butter, mango butter. If you are into that mixing butter yourself, you can try mixing it yourself, or you can buy from vendors as well. If you're confused on where to buy even butter that is very, very good, because I know a lot of people still mix butters. There are body butters that are mixed with a lot of strong serums as well that might probably not do the type of healing that you want on your skin for you. So if you want somewhere where you can get a very good body butter, you can send me a DM on Instagram. I will definitely attend to you about that. Okay, I can refer you to somebody that sells a very trusted body butter that I know of. Okay, so you trash out the bleaching products you are using, get a normal mild soap. You can go for what's it called? You can go for maybe Dettol soap. You can go for Dove. You can go for Premier Cool, even Premier Cool. Just like let your skin breathe. Like, I'm talking about just mild random soap. I'm giving you an example. I know there's a lot, but those are the ones coming to my head. So you can just get normal random soap for your skin, and then get a body butter or a very good moisturizer, just for the period of time, for the period of that 27 days that your skin has to rest, because your skin needs it after all those steroids and chemicals that you have put on your skin constantly for years, whether you know it unknowingly. But after that, you need that 27 days to take your skin back to the default setting. Let's not say you're approaching your 27 days. You now have to prepare for skincare product that you will use for you to have a normal glowing skin. There's a lot of things that helps to get rid of hyperpigmentation, which at the end results into making your skin glow better, brighter, and look very healthy. The likes of vitamin C is one key product that you can always use to help you brighten up your skin. This product don't work fast like bleaching products, and that's why people are not even patient enough to see the results and the goodness of all of these products. So you can all now settle for a lot of products that are very, very okay. Example is, you are going to start with probably a body wash that contains a chemical exfoliant. Example of body wash that contains a chemical exfoliant is maybe Alpha Skincare. They have a body wash that contains chemical exfoliant. Another one again, I can't really remember, but maybe I will just write them out if you guys want me to like bring out some products that contains chemical exfoliant that you can use on your skin. So let's say you do not want to use a body wash that contains a chemical exfoliant, you want to settle for a lotion that contains chemical exfoliant. This is after you have like allow your skin to breathe for 27 days. So if you don't want to settle for maybe a body wash that contains a chemical exfoliant, you want a lotion or a moisturizer that contains a chemical exfoliant, then you can always settle for amlactin. Amlactin is going to help. I love amlactin a lot because of the fact that it penetrates well into your skin. It helps you to release all these dirt, anything that can cause rashes and all of that on your skin, while still repairing your skin and giving it the best and putting it in the best state ever. So if you know that you want a lotion that contains chemical exfoliant, then settle for maybe amlactin or other ones. I've reviewed some other ones as well. You can check them out. Sometimes when I'm filming, the names just like go away on my head, so you can just go and check it out as well. So that is a soap, a chemical exfoliant for you, or either a lotion that contains a chemical exfoliant. So which other thing can you use? Vitamin C is very, very good on your skin. It's going to help you brighten your skin if you know that you suffer from hyperpigmentation or other skin conditions. Alpha arbutin as well is very, very good. It's something you can settle for as well. These are key products you should look out for in things you want to buy when you know you are done repairing your skin and you want your skin to look healthy better. You want to take proper care of your skin. Alpha arbutin, vitamin C as well is a very, very good option of things that you can settle for as well. Forest extract as well is another option that you can settle for if you know you want to like take your skin back to its normal state. Now let's now say that okay, you need a scrub as well. Maybe there are people who love physical scrub. I use physical scrub. Your scrub can contain chemical exfoliants as well. My scrub contains malic acid, contains salicylic acid, which helps a lot, especially for body acne and for other skin reaction or whatever thing. And it has really, really been working. I have shared this I think this recipe with you guys like 3 times or 4 times if not possible. So yeah, so you can check that out as well. So if you are done using or buying all these bleaching things, these are things you should look out for a new product that you want to get. Let me now be honest with you. You are not going to see the best results under 1 month. In fact, you are not going to see the best results ever under 3 months. Take it as a routine. Make up your mind that you want to start using a safe product and be consistent with your routine. That is the only way that you can see the result that you need. If not, you are still going to fall back. If you are not patient enough, trust me, you will fall back using things that once damage your skin. And that's the issue. People will constantly fall back because they cannot wait for the normal product you are using to work. So make sure that you stay consistent with your routine. Do not forget your sunscreen as well. Don't forget your sunscreen as well. If you are going out and you know the part of your body that is going to be exposed, try to lace those spaces up with your sunscreen. Is really going to help you. Sunscreen will help you get rid of the hyperpigmentation you have before and will not even allow another one to prevail on your skin. So you should know that sunscreen is another good option for you to always settle for in that process of taking your skin back to normal and then glowing it again in the proper way. So all of these things are going to help you. If you guys want me to do a routine, like a normal routine, starting from skincare products, starting from your body wash, lotion, I can research more on combination of things that you can use together, and let's talk about it. But I promise this person to talk about things that you should look out for whenever you want to take your skin back to the default setting, and process that you should take or use to take it back to the default setting. So I really hope this helped. I didn't write anything down. All of these are just coming from my head. I'm sharing with you what I will share with any random person that stopped me to ask me. So these are things that can help if you know that you have once used product that you don't like, whether you unknowingly or knowingly, and you are able to take your skin back to normal and now your skin is in the best shape and form ever. Drop it in the comment section. I have seen a lot of people that I recommended advanced clinical for. It worked for some people, it did not work for some people, but I have to be honest with you. Medix 5.5 as well is another good option that you can get if you're trying to get rid, or if you're trying to use a normal product that's going to as well glow your skin. The reason why I love Medix 5.5 is because it contains ingredients that glows the skin, which is turmeric and vitamin C. These are natural stuff that you can use. These are natural stuff you should look out for in products you are getting if you know you want your skin to look brighter and like shine and all these glowing effects that you see on people's skin. You can always have. And let me tell you, if you're judging people's skin by pictures, it might be sun glow, sun skin, or sun whatever. It might not be the real thing you're seeing on picture. Like the real thing you're seeing on picture might not be the real thing you're seeing in real life. So do not compare your skin, like your own real life skin, with another person's skin highlight. on social media. It does not work that way. Just know your skin and be sure, be confident in yourself. That isn't the best product. There are people who have acne, but when they show their face in camera, you will see that their skin is still healthy, even despite the fact that they have acne. It's because they're using a very good product. So I hope this helped. I just like to share this with you guys and have a chat with you people. Let me know if I've ever used any product that helps for you in the comment section. I am willing to learn from you people as well, and I think people who need that will as well check the comment section and learn from you guys as well. So thank you guys so much for coming on my channel today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Before you go, please make sure you click on the subscribe button. Help your girl out, I beg. Click on the subscribe button and turn your bell notification on as well. I'll see you guys in the next one.